Good afternoon everyone. Yesterday I told you the lesson that is our surroundings, how plants reproduce. Yesterday I explained you overall the lesson. So I have given homework also for you. You written children's. So now yesterday I explained about plants, uses of plants. Next, how plants will grow with the help of seed. Okay. Next, again I explained you the 4 ways that are, first one is reproduce. First one is reproduce. First one what I explained you about reproduce. Okay. First one I explained you about reproduce. Okay. This is yesterday's lesson only, that is how plants reproduce. That is not new lesson. This is yesterday's lesson only, science lesson. Page number 5, lesson number 1. Okay, that is our surroundings, how plants reproduce. So, yesterday uses of plants we have learned. Next, how reproduce. Next, second one is germination. We have learned about germination. Okay. Next, third one is what? We have learned about dispersal of seed. How the seed will disperse from the one place to another place. Next, how another one is other way of growing plants. Okay, dispersal is the third level. Okay, third one is dispersal of a seed. Okay, next, that is fourth one is another way of growing plants. Okay, another way of growing plants. Yesterday we have learned reproduce, producing a new one, germination. Okay, and dispersal of seed. Next one is other way of growing plants. Previous lesson 1 we have learned these 4 ways. Now here some formative assessment they given. Fill in the blanks. Page 5 they have given. They are telling to rearrange these letters. Okay, what they are telling? Rearrange the letters from the blanks. Okay, these are they are telling to rearrange the blanks. So now I will rearrange this by reading the fill in the blanks. Okay. So here the first one, fill in the blanks by rearranging the letters. A dash has a outer covering called the dash. First he has given the jumbling words. He has given the jumbling words. Okay, means rearrange means we should rearrange it. Okay, so DSE is given the first blank. So dash. First what we have taken to grow a plant? We have taken the seed. SEED. This is the seed. Next, second one. So after the covering the seed, what we have told? Second part, seed coat. What is second one? Seed coat. Okay, second one is seed coat. So again I will repeat this blank. A seed has an outer covering called the seed coat, which protects the seed. On removing the dash, we find that it opens up into 2 levels, halls called dash. So after yesterday I explained, first seed we will keep, after that seed coat will rise up, after that seed leaves. So here also again one removing, third one is one removing the seed coat. Removing it is called seed coat. After that what we will get? Seed leaves. What we will get? Seed leaves. 2 equal halves. Okay, 2 equal halves we will get seed leaves. What we will get? Seed leaves. We will get seed leaves. Again I will repeat that one. 1. On removing the seed coat, we find that it opens up into 2 equal halves called the seed leaves. Next, inside the seed there is a cream color inside the seed. Yesterday I have drawn here for you seed, okay. So he is telling now inside. Inside means this is known as inside. In the inside what color he is telling here? Cream color. Cream color. What he is telling here? The seed, inside of the seed he is telling the color, it is cream color. So what it is called? Embryo. What it is called? Embryo. Okay. This is the fifth blank, embryo. Next, which has two swollen dash. Which has two swollen. What it is telling? It is having two. Two means here in the picture it is having the two swallow. It is what it is called? Seed cotyledons. What it is called? Seed cotyledons. Seed cotyledons. Okay, this is called sixth blank is seed cotyledon. Then again I will repeat. Inside the seed there is a cream color embryo. Next, which has a two swellens. That is seed cotyledons. The embryo is a baby plant. Here it is it becomes a baby plant. The seventh one is also a embryo. Embryo. This is also the seventh blank is also embryo. First one is seed, second one is seed coat, third one is seed coat. Okay, again seed, seed coat, seed leaves, embryo, seed cotyledons and embryo. The last one is, this is the rearranging the filling the blanks. Next, yesterday I explained you formative assessment also. Take any two seeds, then we will know how the seed coat will open. After that we will go to the lesson. There are four types of waves. There are four types of growing. Another way to grow the plants. First is from root, stem, leaves, underground stem, spores. Okay, he given here 5. Okay, so to grow another way. Yesterday I explained you by roots how we will grow the plants. By the stem also how we will grow plants. Leaves, by leaves also how we will grow the plants. Next, another way, underground stem. Okay, under the ground. Next, from spores we will how they will grow the plants. So here he given page number 8, formative assessment. How does these plants reproduce? Okay, this one I will give for you the homework. Formative assessment I will give for your homework. Okay, this is the homework. How when I am telling the lesson, you know, in the classes also I will give the homework. After explaining the lesson, half or full, whatever it is maybe, I used to give you a middle formative assessment. Like that only now also in these classes I am giving for you homework. Okay, this is formative assessment. That is your homework. That is page number 8. How does these plants reproduce? You know what is meant by reproduce. Yesterday I explained you. So these plants, some plants are there given in the pictures. Here he given in the picture. This is carrot. Everyone know carrot. How he is telling how they reproduce. With the help of what they will reproduce? With the help of stem, root, leaves or spores. He is asking how they will reproduce. You write down in the brackets. This is carrot, rose, potato. Okay, I am giving only 3 examples for you. You just write down in your notes or draw and write in your notes or you write in your textbook. Next I will explain you summative assessment. Okay, next I will explain you summative assessment. Everyone do this one. Okay, homework. How does these plants reproduce in the textbook? Or I have explained you the lesson. So you only draw in your rough notebook or any notebook. You should draw the some plants or some fruits or fruits, if not vegetables or plants. You draw any 3 or 4 plants on your own. Okay, on your own you draw in the rough notebooks also. If you don't have textbook, you write down, you draw in the rough notebook and tell for me. Okay, after that I will explain you summative assessment. Okay, that is tick the correct answers. What tick the correct answers is asking you to tick the correct answers. Everyone know they will give 4 options. In the examination also we know they will give choose the correct answers. Okay, here he is giving the 5 choose the correct answers. So he is telling, he is giving 4 options for us. In this, which one is correct, he is asking us to explain or write down here in the blank. Okay, so now seed, first one I will tell you, seed of which plants are dispersed through wind. Seed, here yesterday I explained which seed will disperse. Here he is given 4 options: cotton, mandra, hiptage. So this all will disperse through the wind. There, so this is all of these. We should put for all of these. Second one, which seed get dispersed by explosion? It is blossom. Which plant grow from root? It is sweet potato. Which plant grow from underground stem? Here is given 4 options, but we don't have these 4 options. Here it is we should have to choose only one correct option, that is potato. Next, which of these can be grown from the stem cutting? So to cut the stem, which one will grow? The help of the stem. Okay, here he given the sugar cane. I have written the sugar cane because there is Moses carrot, it is not written by the stem, that got cutted by the stem. So this one is the right option is sugar cane. So I have written here correct options. So once again, if you have textbook, read out. If I told correct, okay. If not, you also once again read this lesson. After reading this lesson, if you have any doubts, you know, I will give some keywords for you. Every time I will give at any keywords, 10 keywords. Okay, any 10 keywords I will give. Okay, for homework. First of all, after completing lesson, what I will give for you? New words. If you don't understand any letter in this example, it is what is this, teacher, you will ask. What is reproduction? What is reproduce? What is seed? What is growing? Like that. If you have any questions, if you have any questions for me, please write down in your rough notebooks and you can ask me in the classes. Now we has completed this lesson as well as explanation of the summative, formative assessment also completed. So just for a small introduction, next just for a small introduction I will explain you about a small plant. Okay, small, I will explain you. Example one I will explain you. Just it is for your understanding. Okay, example I will take a example is there. So we are, yesterday also I explained you. Now also again I am explaining. We are taking some cardamom seeds. Okay, this is cardamom seeds. Okay, so now we want to grow a plant or we want to grow a new plant. How we will grow? With the help of a seeds. With the help of seeds we will, with the help of seeds we can grow a new plant. Okay, this is called reproduce also. So first I have taken the seed. Okay, next, you know, everyone in our daily life, what is the best thing? What is the best thing? It is to pour water to a plants. Nowadays everyone is doing Harita Aram. Everyone know that is, they are doing Harita Aram. More and more plants we should put because to get a fresh air. Okay, more and more plants they are growing. Nowadays they are growing everywhere, in the colonies, in the Hyderabad, everywhere they are, very much of the people they are interested to put the plants. for their birthdays or their or anyone. Example, Gandhi Jayanti is there. Any one birthdays they are putting the plantation. They are inaugurating the plants. They used to cut the cakes, but nowadays they are doing the inauguration of the plants, putting the plants. You also know, everyone, children, you also has went and you has kept the trees. Okay. So I am taking now a seed. So it is growing like a new. Now seed coat has came for this. Okay. Seed coat small it will get. After a few days, it became small seed coat again. Okay, the seed leaves has came for this. Okay, seed leaves has been got off. Okay, seed leaves, these are seed leaves. Okay, after a few days, then a plant will get after that roots also. For this only, after few days a normal roots these are. Okay, these are roots. Okay, seed, seed coat, seed leaves, this is root. Okay, next we will go to the hard roots. Means you everyone know how the roots will be there. Okay, these are the hard roots. After that a baby plant grows. The help of a baby plant, with the help of a seed coat, seed leaves, we can grow a baby plant. Okay. Okay. With the help of a seed, we can grow seed coat, seed leaves, a baby plant. This is the diagram I am telling for you to understand how with the help of a seed we can reproduce a baby plant. Okay, how can you, with the help of seed, how can you reproduce a baby plant? It has become a baby plant with the help of the seed, seed coat, seed leaves, and this is known as, what is this full thing is known as germination. What is this known as? Germination of a seed. Okay, what is this all called process is called? Germination of a seed. This all process is known as germination of seed or to reproduce the new baby plant, we can also call. Everyone understood this lesson? If you have any doubts, you can ask me, children. Thank you children. Thank you very much to listen my lesson carefully. Thank you very much. Bye children.